So at the Cannes Film Festival, we have Rajesh Mapuskar with us, a well-known filmmaker, and he has come with his film here. Tell us a little bit more about your visit to the Cannes Film Festival. We know, of course, that April, May '99, the wonderful, wonderful film which he has produced is at the Cannes Film Festival as a part of the Maharashtra government selection. So,
Yeah, I mean, he's honored that April, May '99, my brother's film, Rohan Mapuskar, he directed the film. I produced it, my co-producer Jogesh Bhutani, Madhukar Kotian and Maurice Noon. So we all came together, we got connected with the story, and we thought this is the first maiden venture of we coming together. We want to tell a story of friendship. So all four friends came together to tell a story of friendship, which Rohan has written, directed, a story of his friendship in my Konkani village, Srivardhan, and we thought it's a beautiful story. And we are honored. It's been recognized, and Maharashtra government and Film City has been very kind enough to select us and allowed us to showcase this at the world market, Cannes. I mean, everybody dreams of coming to Cannes, and we are able to come with our little films to this world market, exploring, not only exhibiting our film to the world market, but we are also getting to learn about what world market, what films are getting made, how posters are made, how people talk, what do they do. It's like an overwhelming experience.
yeah, you said it's a little film, but it's a little film with a big, big, big heart. But it must be very nice to showcase a film like this at the Cannes Film Festival, especially knowing that the distribution problems that are in India, making a film is difficult enough, but then getting it to the people is probably more difficult. Which one is more difficult?
Yes, yeah.
You have experience on.
Yes. I mean, I feel it's easy to make a film, it's easy to direct a film, but how do you make people see the film? How do you reach out to them? What are the avenues there? I mean, here in Cannes, I learned that apart from theatrical release, there are 126 ways you can generate revenue from your film. I said, okay, I didn't know this. I only knew 2 or 3 avenues of generating. This is like a new education. So that gives me as a producer, as a maker, also confidence that, okay, I should not hurry up in releasing my film in theatre. I should hold back, see where it's going, what is happening, what other avenues I have, how can I retain my IP, how can I retain my rights. Otherwise, somebody buys you off and then you have nothing in your hand, So it's a great learning for me.
So a lot of people assume that Cannes is only about glamour, about the red carpet, about watching films, but there is so much more that happens at Cannes. And as Rajesh, who is a seasoned filmmaker himself, has said that he's learned a few things here at Cannes.
Yes. I'm like a student here. I feel like it's my I come to Film Institute and learning how to do this business, how to tell a story, and how to make sure that your story reaches people. That's such an important thing because we're making film for them.
So Rajesh, you've been wearing many hats, but of course we know you as a filmmaker. So what's in the pipeline as a director?
Okay, so next year I'm doing an adventure. Like I was always an adventurer. I never wanted to stick to one genre. The most my genre is that slice of life. I like to tell stories of life, but then I chose to then jump the genre and started slicing life with Delhi Crime 2, with Rudra on murder, and I said, okay, let me see what I can do with it. So now I'm doing an adventure. It's probably India's first theatrical AI native film, Chiranjeevi Hanuman. The teaser is already on YouTube. And
you launched the film here. I mean, you announced the film here.
We not announced the film here, but we are going to talk about it on 19th. There's an AI session here, so we are going to be part of that because we are coming from India, making first AI film, a feature-length film and theatrical release. So that's like a very moment of pride for all of us, and for me especially. I'm very excited. So apart from April, May '99, that's another reason why I'm here to talk about my film Chiranjeevi Hanuman, made with AI native.
Nice. That sounds very, very fascinating. As you said, perhaps the first theatrical release.
Yeah.
When are we likely to see it in the theatres?
I think pre-Diwali sometime. Yes.
I think the occasion also suits well.
Yes. Yes.
So all the best for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Jai Hanuman.
Jai Hanuman.